Welcome, my dear. Today I have certain comments in the comment box. A linear equation in one variable, application of linear equation. Okay, so I'm there to clear your doubt in this MUSHKIL ASAAN class. So the very first question is given: find three consecutive even number whose sum is 186. So at first you have to know how to frame the equation. First, what have I written here? Three consecutive even numbers. For example, let us say, suppose 2 is even number, 4 is even number, 6 is even number, like this. It is a consecutive even numbers. So what is the difference between the 2 and 4? The difference lies is 2. So if the first consecutive number be x, then the second will be x plus 2. Always put bracket. The third one will be x plus 4. The fourth one will be x plus 6 and so on. Did you understand? Okay. So if this is for even number and if the question would have given for if the question they could have given here odd number instead of even number, they could have given you odd number. For odd number also the same thing. First odd number is 1, then it is 3, then it is 5 and so on. So the basic difference between 1 and 3 is 2. 3 and 5 is 2. So if the first number be x, consecutive number, then the consecutive odd numbers would be x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 in this way. Okay, whatever the question is, so you have to frame the question according to the question. So find three consecutive even numbers whose sum is 186. So write it here. Solution. Let first consecutive even number be x. Therefore, second consecutive even number will be x plus 2. Similarly, third consecutive even number will be x plus 4. Now in the question is given that whose sum is 186. That means according to question, x plus, put bracket, x plus 2 plus, again don't forget to put the brackets, x plus 4 is equal to 186. Now open the bracket. X plus, since plus sign is before the bracket, so no sign gets changes over here and here. So x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is equal to 186, which implies x plus x is 3x plus 2 plus 4 is 6 is equal to 186, which implies 3x is equal to, bring this plus 6 towards this way. It becomes 186 minus 6. 3x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 by 3. Gets cancelled off. X is equal to 60. So what was x? X was the first consecutive even number. Therefore, the three consecutive even number are, the very first one was x, which is equals to 60. The second was x plus 2 gives 60 plus 2, which implies 62, and the third one is x plus 4. So here we are getting x means 60 plus 4 is equal to 64. If you add up, you get the sum is 186. In this way, you can judge whether your answer has been correct or wrong. Okay, let us go with the next question. Okay, one more question. Divide 4000 into two parts such that 15% of first part equals 25% of the second part. So solution, let us assume the first part be, let us assume the first part is equal to x. Since the first part is x, therefore second part will be 4000 minus x. Now what they have given, that 15% of first part equals 25% of second part. Now we have to frame equation. Okay, according to question, 15% of first part equals 25% of second part. So write it over here. According to question, 15% means 15 by 100. Of means into first part. What was the first part? X, put it in bracket, is equal to, as they have said here, equals to 25% of the second part. 25% means 25 by 100 into second part is 4000 minus x. Put it in bracket always. Now only the thing is that you have to find out the value of x. Very simplification, you can cancel over 100 here with this 100 here, then 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Now the simplification have become much more easier. Now let us split this one. So from here we get 3 into x is 3x is equal to 5 into 4000, that is 20,000 minus 5 into x. Before doing this step, you have to see once more whether you have done perfect or not. 3 into x is 3x, 5 into 4000 is 20,000, 5 into minus x is minus 5x. Bring this minus 5x towards the left hand side and you get 8x is equal to 20,000. Therefore, x is equal to 20,000 divided by 8. 8 ones 8, 8 twos are 16, carried 4, 8 5s are 40, then rest 2 zeros. So x is equal to 2500. So the first part is, write on the answer here. First part is equals to x, implies 2500. Second part is equals to 4000 minus x is equal to 4000 minus 2500, which is equals to 1500. So yes, this is your second. Okay, one more question is that the ages of Tanya and Vihan are in a ratio of 8:7. 6 years later, their ages will be in the ratio 10:9. Find their ages. Okay, for solving such type of age problem, whether it is for class 10 or for class 8 or for class 9, always you have to make a concept of the present age. Here they have said the ages of Tanya and Vihan. So let us write here present age. Present age of, let present age of Tanya be 8x, as the ratio is 8:7, so we are writing 8x, and Vihan be 7x. And then they have written their ages will be in the ratio 10:9, 6 years later. So next what we are going to write down here is 6 years later. Then write here 6 years Suppose your present age is 14, so what will be your age 6 years later? So age of you after 6 years will be 14 plus 6, 20. 6 years later, age of Tanya will be 8x plus 6 and age of Vihan will be 7x plus 6. Also, in the given question, the ratio have been given us as 10:9. Therefore, according to question, 8x plus 6, put it in bracket. 7x plus 6, put it in bracket, is equal to 10:9 means 10 by 9. Now, crisscross this in this way and this way. So, we get 9 into 8x plus 6 is equal to 10 into 7x plus 6. Now on simplification, what we get is 9x 72x, 9 6 54, 10 into 7x 70x plus 10 into 6 60, which implies bring 70x this side, 72x minus 70x is equal to 60 minus 54, implies 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. So that we got the value of x is equal to 3. So the ages of therefore present age of Tanya is equal to 8x. This is equal to 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Vihan is equal to 7x is equal to 7 into 3 is equal to 21 years. Okay, one more important question. This question is very important. Try to keep in mind and listen it very careful, my dear. A boat travels 30 km upstream in the same amount of time. Remember this, same amount of time. If it takes to travel 60 km downstream. 60 km downstream. Upstream it is going 30 km and takes the same amount of time when it travels in the downstream in the same river. If the speed of the river is 4 km per hour, find the speed of the boat in still water. Okay, so first let us draw a simple diagram. Suppose this is a river and the water is flowing in this way, in this direction. So this is downstream and this one will be upstream. Now, a boat travels 30 km upstream. Let us take 2 points. Here point A and point B. So, a boat travels 30 km upstream, means from A to B is 30 km. And in the same amount of time, if it takes to travel 60 km downstream in the same river, if the speed of the river is 4 km per hour. So here, first solution, speed of river water is equal to, how much it is given? 4 km per hour. Now, let the speed of boat in still water be x km per hour. Let speed of boat in still water be x kilometer per hour. Let time taken be t. See, the unit is in hour, so the time taken be in t hours. Now number 1, for upstream speed is equal to, since the speed of boat in still water is 6 km per hour and the upstream it is going against the flow of water, so and the speed of water in the river is 4 km per hour, therefore upstream will be x minus 4 km per hour because it is going against the flow of water. So speed is equal to x minus 4 km per hour. Distance is equal to 30 km. We know the formula. Speed is equal to distance by time taken. Therefore, time taken is equal to distance by speed. Time taken is equal to distance is 30 and speed is x minus 4. Let it be statement 1. Again, for downstream, since the flow of water is 4 km and the speed of the boat is x km water, therefore the downstream the speed will be x plus 4 km per hour. So for downstream speed is equal to x plus 4 km per hour. Distance is equal to 60 km. Therefore, time taken is equal to 60 by x plus 4 hour. Now, according to question, time taken are same. So this is statement 2. According to question, this must be equals to this. According to question, 30 by x minus 4 is equal to 60 by x plus 4. Now look here. Here it is 30, here it is 60. 30 once 30, 32 60. So straight away you can cut over here 1 and this is 2. And then you get crisscross like this. So 1 into x plus 4, that is x plus 4 is equal to 2 into x minus 4. That is 2 into x minus 4. We get x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 2 into 4 is 8. Now bring this minus 8 towards this side and bring this x towards this side. We get 4 plus 8 equals to 2x minus x. 12 is equal to x. What is x? X is the speed of boat in still water. Therefore, your answer will be the speed of boat in still water is equal to 12 kilometer per hour. If you have any doubt, so you may put your doubt in this comment box, and as soon as possible I am going to upload your doubts. Thank you.